As you can see, it's the hot plate. It has beef. This is the beef here. There's salmon, so it's not cooked all the way. So you're supposed to turn it around so that it cooks. Definitely hot. This is the chicken here. So I'm going to try this out. So as you can see here, there's a lot of pepper in it. I put some garlic sauce here. You just stir it around. It's super hot because it's on the hot plate. It cooked, as you can see, it cooked the chicken, cooked the salmon, and it cooked the beef. So I'm going to have a try of this. Very tender. Very, very tender. Chicken is cooked, but not overly cooked. I'm going to try a salmon. Have a look down here. Very good. And then the beef here, you can definitely tell that the garlic sauce and the honey sauce that I put in definitely complements the meat. Really good, especially with the pork. Oh, so delicious.
So I selected some nice crispy chicken, some fresh rice, some beans, and then comes with an egg, a fried egg. And then as well, if you want to add additional items, you can do that as well. So I got some nice chicken here, and it's cooked a different way. This cost, if you just wanted with the egg and the rice, it would have been $6.50. But I chose one extra side, and it came to about $11. I think that's pretty reasonable. You know, you go to get fast food, like a McDonald's or so, it costs a lot more for something not as healthy. So I'm gonna try it out and see how it tastes. The rice is nicely cooked, it's creamy, very crunchy. And the egg, it's a bit in between a hard boiled and a soft boiled, but it's quite nice. Very nice. It was so hard to choose because so much selection here, and the prices are quite reasonable for what you get. I highly recommend this if you like something very, comforting. I like some fried chicken.
What's the sauce on the chicken?
It's like sweet.
Sweet and sour?
Sweet and sour, yeah.
Again, this was at the food court in the Marina Bay, shops at the Marina Bay Sands in the basement level. Very good.